This is a poster which I got to make for the 8th class student. This was for the competition and the topic was if river could speak. The whole idea was to show how our river was or now what it is becoming, and everything. It was about the cleanliness and the unhygienic and everything. The points were which I have to make and create on this poster. So when I searched and studied about this poster, or every in all the ideas of the Google, there were on the left side there was a dirty river, industries and the pollution, brown area, everything, and on the right side it was green land, green trees, plants, lively atmosphere and everything. But to change that and to break the boring concept, I did the opposite, where on the left side I created all the green plants and green trees, where a boy we can see he is picking up the garbage from the river. There is dustbin over there. There are birds, swan, flowers, lotus and many more um, water creature. We can see there are flowers and greenery. The mountains have snow. There are glitters, fresh air. There is blue sky. River is so neat and clean. Everything is so beautiful. But on the left side, you can see the sky is black and gray. The mountains are dull. There's no snow. The industries pollution is everywhere. They are throwing garbage directly to the water. Trees have no leaf, only a few leaves on the trees. The garbage van is throwing whole garbage directly into the river. Garbage polythenes are fallen. There are bottles and everywhere. Less water creature, no bird, no greenery, no flowers, no fresh air there is. So my whole idea in this was to show that how our world was, how beautiful our nature was without any disturbance and without any hamper to it, but what it is becoming. Yes, I know technology development is very important for our benefit, but somewhere we should keep in our mind that our nature should not be harmed for that. So we got three key points, which was my pain, my importance and my hope. It was for the river which she is saying to people. My in my pain I wrote, saw who I was, see whom I see I'm become who I am becoming. Then clean, now dusty, then green and blue, now brown and dark. My importance of the river was, I am an innate character in your survival. You drink, clean, cook, grow food and much more. And what is the hope of the river which she is doing with us is always stay blue and clean to serve humanities, never leave dusty and with impurities. Now the main end point was clean river today and get cleaner water to drink today and every day. So that was whole point, and I hope I justified the topic. So thank you everyone for this.